Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to delete all auto draft posts using MySQL Query for WordPress database in phpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to delete all auto draft posts at once. So we are in phpMyAdmin and this is our database. Now you see SQL, so click on it. So we are in SQL section and we are going to add query. Now paste and you will find this query in video description or in comment section. Now you see delete from WP. So this is our table prefix. So you can add your table prefix. So we are going to add WP D8. So this is our table prefix. And then you see post. So this is our table where post status auto draft. So we are going to delete all auto draft at same time and then click on go. And then you see query executed, 0 row deleted, and you will find this query in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.